Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a field of computer science focused on creating machines that can perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence. This includes learning, problem solving, decision making, and understanding language. Essentially, AI aims to make computers think and act like humans, or at least mimic human cognitive functions. It's about building smart machines that can reason and adapt. The concept of intelligent machines dates back centuries, but modern AI began in the mid-20th century. Pioneers like Alan Turing explored the idea of machine intelligence. The term artificial intelligence was coined in 1956 at a Dartmouth College conference. Early AI research focused on symbolic reasoning and expert systems. The field has experienced periods of rapid progress and slower development, often called AI winters. However, advancements in computing power and data availability have fueled its recent resurgence. Today, AI is transforming industries and daily life at an unprecedented pace. At its core, AI learns from data. Machine learning, a subset of AI, involves training algorithms on vast amounts of information. These algorithms identify patterns and make predictions or decisions based on what they have learned. Deep learning, a more advanced form of machine learning, uses neural networks inspired by the human brain. These networks have multiple layers that process data, allowing them to learn complex representations and relationships. The more data an AI system processes, the better it typically becomes at its assigned tasks. AI is broadly categorized into two main types: narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI, also known as weak AI, is designed to perform a specific task or a limited set of tasks. Examples include voice assistants, recommendation systems, and image recognition software. General AI, or strong AI, refers to hypothetical machines that possess human-level intelligence across a wide range of cognitive tasks. This type of AI would be capable of understanding, learning, and applying intelligence to any intellectual task that a human can. Currently, all existing AI systems are forms of narrow AI. You interact with AI more often than you might realize. When you ask a question to your smartphone's voice assistant, AI is at work. Recommendation engines on streaming services or online shopping sites use AI to suggest content or products you might like. AI powers the spam filters in your email and the facial recognition on your phone. It's also used in self-driving cars, medical diagnosis, and even in games you play. From personalized learning platforms to smart home devices, AI is deeply integrated into modern society. AI holds immense potential to solve some of the world's most pressing challenges. It can accelerate scientific discovery, improve healthcare outcomes, and optimize resource management. AI can automate repetitive tasks, freeing humans to focus on more creative and complex problems. However, the rise of AI also brings important considerations. Ethical concerns around data privacy, algorithmic bias, and job displacement are crucial topics for discussion. Ensuring AI is developed responsibly and for the benefit of all humanity is a shared responsibility. As students, you are at the forefront of this technological revolution. Understanding AI is no longer just for computer scientists. It's becoming a fundamental literacy for everyone. Whether you pursue a career in AI development or simply use AI tools, knowledge is power. Embrace critical thinking, creativity, and problem-solving skills, as these will always be invaluable. Explore AI, learn about its capabilities and limitations, and consider how you can contribute to shaping its future. Your generation will define how AI impacts the world.